In a quiet village nestled among rolling hills, there lived a young man named Koji. Koji had always been a restless soul, constantly seeking answers to life's mysteries. He believed that the key to understanding the world lay within the depths of his own mind. With this conviction, he set off on a journey to find a renowned Zen master who could guide him on the path of enlightenment. After many days of wandering, Koji arrived at the temple of Zen master Takashi, a renowned teacher known for his wisdom and compassion. Koji approached the temple with anticipation, eager to learn the secrets of the mind from this venerable sage. Upon entering the temple, Koji was met with a serene atmosphere of tranquility. The courtyard was adorned with meticulously raked gravel and beautiful bonsai trees. The scent of incense hung in the air as monks moved about, focused on their daily tasks. Koji was granted an audience with Master Takashi, who sat in meditation beneath a cherry blossom tree. The young seeker bowed respectfully and spoke, "Master Takashi, I have come seeking the wisdom of the mind. How can I harness the power of my thoughts to find truth and enlightenment?" Master Takashi opened his eyes and gazed at Koji with kindness. "To understand the mind, one must first learn to still it," he replied. "Come, sit with me." Koji joined the master beneath the cherry blossom tree. They sat in silence as the breeze rustled the leaves, and the world around them seemed to disappear. Minutes turned into hours and Koji began to grow restless. His mind raced with thoughts and questions, making it difficult for him to find the serenity he sought. Master Takashi observed Koji's inner turmoil and gently spoke, "The mind is like a pond. If you constantly stir its waters, you will never see the clear reflection of truth. To understand the mind, you must first learn to calm it." Koji nodded, recognizing the wisdom in the master's words. He made a conscious effort to still his mind, focusing on his breath and the sensation of the earth beneath him. Slowly, the tumultuous thoughts began to subside, and a sense of inner peace washed over him. Weeks turned into months, and Koji continued to study under Master Takashi's guidance. He learned the art of meditation and how to observe his thoughts without judgment. With time and practice, his mind became a tool of great precision, capable of discerning the subtlest truths. One day, as the two sat in meditation, Koji asked, "Master, I have learned to calm my mind, but how can I use it to gain insight into the mysteries of life?" Master Takashi smiled and replied, "To use your mind effectively, you must learn to be present in each moment. The past and future are illusions, but the present is where life unfolds. By fully engaging with the here and now, you will find the answers you seek." Koji took these words to heart and began to apply them to his daily life. Whether he was sweeping the temple grounds, sharing a meal with fellow monks, or simply watching the sunrise, he practiced being fully present in each moment. As he did, he noticed a profound change within himself. One day, while walking through a bamboo grove, Koji experienced a moment of clarity. He realized that the answers he had sought were not hidden in the depths of his mind, but in the world around him. The rustling of the bamboo leaves, the sunlight filtering through the canopy, and the songs of the birds, all contained the wisdom he had been searching for. Koji returned to Master Takashi and shared his revelation. The master nodded in approval. "You have discovered a great truth," he said. "The mind is a tool, but it is the world that holds the answers. To use your mind effectively, you must be present in the world and embrace it with gratitude and wonder." From that day forward, Koji continued to meditate, but he also dedicated himself to experiencing life fully, with all its joys and challenges. He learned that by embracing the present moment, he could unlock the mysteries of existence and find enlightenment not by looking within but by looking outward. And so, Koji's journey came full circle, and he realized that the mind, when used with mindfulness and presence, could be a powerful instrument for understanding the world. In the simplicity of each moment, He found the profound wisdom he had sought, and he understood that the key to using his mind lay not in its complexity but in its simplicity.